Hey.
Hi there.
Good
How are
Tyler.
ya? Climbing around?
Hmm?
You're climbing around?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, gosh.
That won't happen.
Good. Glad to be here.
Been busy.
Yeah. So done again.
God. It's like a breathing moment. We got home from our trip last Sunday, and Monday Mike's come from Florida showed up, and we had him all week, and he's just now, Mike's taking him to the airport right now.
Uh-huh.
So we company all week, no downtime.
No downtime.
No downtime.
It's timing.
Yeah. Oh, there's Tyler. And you're all taking pictures, and I didn't even bring my camera. I have it, it's in the car. It's gonna have to be next week. So,
Yeah, I
went over to visit my mom last night. Picked her up on Wednesday. My sister's still in Idaho. She comes home tomorrow.
Nice shot, Tyler.